Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and so let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review, and this is a simple wig review. It's a headband wig, and the company's name is Headband Wig, and it's a straight synthetic hair 18-inch wig. And yeah, so let's get into it. So the package comes in a blue pack like this with all these little descriptions in it, and this is what it looks like. So I'm unboxing it right now for the first time. And it comes with this wig cap, but I already have one on. I prefer to just use the one I have on. And it comes in this bag like this. Okay, so you can see it comes with an extra headband, and this is the packaging, and this is the unit. And so as you can see, it's a straight wig. This is what it's looking like. It's synthetic and it's 18 inches, so it's just a straight wig. This is the headband that it comes, so it's no lace. Instead of the lace, there's a headband that goes all the way around, and it comes with, attach it by Velcro, and it has 2 clips. Normally they have 4, but this one only has 2, one on each of the sides. So let's install. So I already have my wig cap on. So if this is a very simple install. You would take your wig, brush your hair back, have your hair in braids or whatever. I just have big braids along here. And you can slick back your edges, do whatever you want to do. And I have a little bit of my own hairline, as you can see. That's how I like to do it. So now with the wig, you're just gonna put it on. Now normally I tell you to align the comb in the front, but there's no comb in the front, so you're gonna have to use your judgment. There's just 2 combs on the side. So I'm gonna take this comb, as you can see right here, and put it so that it can be secure. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other comb that's right here. See, so you see my hairline in the front. And then I'm just taking both sides of the headband, and then I'm gonna attach it in the back. Let me show you how I do that. So I got a hair tie, so I can hold it up while I'm attaching the headband. Okay, so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so with the 2 straps on the headband, which have Velcro on them, I'm just going to take it, and you will adjust it to your head size, and just do it just like that. So you see the headband is going to come down like this. Now some people prefer to wear the headband down, but again, I prefer to show my own hairline and then flip it back like this. For me, I feel like it just gives it a more natural look. So now you can take out the hair. And this is very simple. As you can see, it's straight, so there's nothing you have to do with it. But you can comb it out. So this is supposed to resemble like permed hair, yaki, but again, this is synthetic. Yep, and this is very simple. This wig is 18 inches long. So as you can see, there's a little bit of shedding. it, guys, and that's really it. The trick is the braids underneath your hair. Like, you want to make sure your braids are really, really flat so there's no lumps and bumps. My braids, I can kind of see like there's a little bit of lump here because of the way I braided it. But if you want it to be super flat, you want to just make sure you just probably do cornrows going to the back. Make sure your hair is super, super flat. And this is what it's looking like. I actually like this. It's nice and easy and simple. So now if you want it to, let's see. Yeah, it's nice for a nice simple look where you don't have to do much. And because of the headband that goes all the way around, you can easily wear it in a ponytail. I'll show you can wear it in a low ponytail. As you can see, or you can wear it in a high ponytail. Let me see, or like a mid ponytail, like up like this. You have to brush it though. Comb it in. Where's my headband? And then if you want to like brush your hair, I don't know what it's, oh no. Wait, this is showing in the back. So you might not be able to put it too high. Hold on a sec. Okay guys, I see what happened. See, this one does not have a comb in the back. So when I was trying to put the ponytail up high, you could see the wig cap under. Normally there's a comb in the back so it could hold it in place. So that's the con I would say about this wig. It doesn't have the comb in the back to hold the hair in place. If it did, you'd be able to put a high ponytail, but I'm not going to be able to do it. So, and as you can see, this is an honest wig review, because if you guys buy wigs that I recommend, I want you to be able to get full disclosure of what's going on. So yeah, so you could only wear this in a low ponytail because it doesn't have a clip in the back to hold it. So I'm definitely gonna let the company know. So yeah, you can basically just wear it loose or wear it in a low ponytail. I thought you could wear it up high, but it doesn't have the clip in the back to hold it. So guys, yeah, that's basically my wig review. For this, you can do it like a nice, you could also do like a nice little side low ponytail. Like that. Which I think is really, really cute and convenient when you're on the go. So I would definitely say that this is an on the go type of wig. You don't have to do much to it. It's straight, it's synthetic, so you don't have to worry about anything but putting it on and making sure it stays in place. Also, here's the extra headband that it came with. I have so many of these. I love leopard print, so you will basically just take it and put it just like that. thing I would say to the company is they should put a clip in the back. The 2 clips on the side I don't think are enough. They even could put one in the front. But yeah, this is a simple wear and go wig. I would definitely recommend it, and it's very affordable, guys. The price is $19.99, and the shipping, well, let's see, on my page, my notes here says clips in the front and the back, so maybe the unit that I didn't have the clips, but I'll definitely let them know. The shipping was 1 to 2 days, and yeah, so this is a good, quick and easy wig, very lightweight, and that's it. So guys, if you would like to purchase this wig, my Amazon affiliate link is in the description. So when you click on my link, I get a commission when you make purchases. Yeah, and that's it. The link will be in the description. Remember to follow me on Instagram. All my information is in the description bar. My website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for lip gloss and other accessories, and my Etsy shop is all in the description. I sell hair accessories and all of those goodies. So thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in these simple wigs, I have a whole lot of other wig tutorials that I just started doing. So if you want to look on that playlist, feel free to do so. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.